Look at this. Oh boy. It's that time of year. October 23rd, 2011. I have to start saying 2011 now because it's been about a year. Cold and miserable. It was worse yesterday. We're going to get some sun today. I think we're going to get some chemtrails too because that looks like that gunky sky that ends up bringing chemtrails with it. But anyways. Gotta cover the pool. Covering the pool today. I got close to clean enough to throw that cover on. It doesn't matter how much chemicals you put in. By the next year it's going to be brown and smell funky. I don't care what you put in it. So we'll just get it decent and cover the top. We got a bumper crop of salamanders this year. I don't know if that guy's alive. I'm going to bump him, see what happens. Nope. He's done. Are you all-terrain chicken? Whoa. Let's see how you get down. You gonna get down? Durr. Let's see you jump. Come on. Let's see you jump. No, didn't want to do it. This is my pump. I think that's General Electric household pump. I mean household filter. Yeah, it is. Smart water, heavy duty. I bought that pump from Sears. I don't know how many years. Maybe 10 years. Thing's been plugging away. Confiscated the cat box. Cat carrier for a cover. Here's the filter I use in it. Made in Mexico, but whatever. I use this one all season. I just spray it out. Nice and easy. Okay, now that's ready for the rain and leaves and kitties. Well, I put this plastic on to save it from the rain. But I don't know if you can tell. There's probably more moisture in there inside than there is outside. I gotta get that off. This is just too tight. If the water gets in there and then it freezes, it'll crack the joints, and we don't want to lose what we got over the winter. Oh, did you hear me talking? Say something to the camera. Come on. Good girl. What about sister? Ooh, good job. Here's the two sides of a chair I took apart. And there's the back. So I'm going to try and lay this tarp over it. And maybe it'll act like a hinge so I can fold the bottom up and then fold the top down and just pick it up as one piece. And remove it when I need to use it. There's some tarp I had under the house for millennia. But that's when they made good tarp, so still tough. Well, that's not what I was looking for. I actually cut the bottom too short so that I had to pull it at an angle. And then this cat came along and kicked me out of there. It's not fair. Need a little airflow out of there. Maybe we'll get it through here. Looks pretty neat. This is what's under there. I was going to use all 3, but like I said, I cut that short. So I had to pull that tight. Oopsie. So I think it's just as good that way though. Good day.